Hello, welcome to OneStorage web application demonstration. This application acts as an interface for all your cloud drive options. So you can take your Google Drives, your OneDrives, and your Dropbox accounts, and you can link all of them through this application. And you can handle all the files across those drives and manage those drives using this application as a single scaled up large drive. So there's usual login and registration option, so you can go through them. I have once registered user, so I will use that for my demonstration. So as I log in, so this is a single page application, and I can choose a night mode or day mode. So I'm choosing a night mode for this demonstration. So as you can see over here, you can see all your files over here across those other drives that you have linked. You have an option to paginate through your files, and you can also see on the left hand side is your drive info, your cumulative, what is the space limit that you have available with the number of drives you are linked, and what is the total space that you have used, and the drives info if you want to know what drives that you have already linked. So there are 4 drives added, you can see over here. Of Google Drive, there is one drive added and one Dropbox added, and together they will contribute to 67 GB. Over here you can see the add drive option. You can add the Google Drive or your OneDrive or Dropbox. I will show you one adding option a bit later. And over here you can choose to upload files. I will come to that. So over here you can see your files. You can also search for your files through an autocomplete option. So I want to search suppose Python related files. So I want to see this one. And if I click on this, it has the web view link as a hyperlink to that. So whatever the drive that file is stored in, and if you have logged into that drive, it will open up over there. I can directly access the file. So this application doesn't store the user data, but just a metadata of the drives and the files. So I will show one upload option. So if you choose to upload a file, I will just browse through it. Suppose I have this random PDF file. I can directly upload. And once I am done, let me clear the filter. It has come up over here. So I am using WebSockets in the backend to have a bidirectional communication from the server end. So whenever there is a file upload, it tracks the changes and it emits an event to the front end. So this user can directly see the file uploaded immediately. And in the backend, the logic is to use a round robin logic to choose which drive the file is to be uploaded. So whenever so that it does a fair usage of all the drives, and it checks cyclically, and each session it chooses a different drive and does a cyclical check from there. Wherever it is finding the first available space, it will upload into that. And also besides that, I can add or remove a drive. So I can suppose I want to remove one particular drive, this one. It will ask for a confirmation. So once I'm removing, it is saying drive removed successfully. It is refreshing the page. And now I have 3 Google Drives added. If I want to particularly add a Google Drive, suppose I want to add it this one, because it is still I'm asking for the permission. Allow. Now the drive has been added successfully. As you can see over here, the drive has been refreshed. There are 4 drives added. This drive is a very fresh drive, so not much has been used of it. If it had files, it would have been refreshed over here as well. The files over here are kind of sorted in the way they are added up to our backend. Their metadata is added up to our backend server. And there is the option of filtering the files by their media type. So I can choose I want to see only the PDF files. I can choose by this. If I want to see the PowerPoint like that, so it is kind of a one level deeper filtering. You can choose to easier access your file. So that's it. Thank you for seeing the video.